Fast and rough isn't always the answer. Did you know that moving slow and deep can drive a woman even crazier than going hard? Today, we're revealing a powerful technique that turns doggy style into an unforgettable. Experience the slow and long method. Welcome back to my channel, the place where we break down real sex education tips for better intimacy, stronger connection, and mind-blowing pleasure. In this video, we'll explain step by step how to master the slow and long technique and why it works so well to arouse your partner. Number 1. What is slow and long? The name says it all. Instead of fast, shallow thrusts, this technique focuses on slow, full-length strokes. You enter her completely slowly, then withdraw all the way out just as slowly. And then you repeat. It's about teasing, controlling the rhythm, and making every single movement count. Number 2. Why it works. Here's the science. Slow penetration increases friction across her vaginal walls, stimulating more sensitive areas. It also builds anticipation. Each withdrawal makes her crave the next thrust. This teasing effect raises arousal gradually but intensely so when pleasure peaks. It's explosive. Number 3. The doggy style advantage. In doggy style, your angle of entry is already deeper and more stimulating. Adding the slow and long technique enhances that effect. She feels every inch, every movement. The slow strokes also allow you to maintain stamina and last longer, while still keeping her hooked on the sensation. Number 4. Tips to master it. Want to do it right? Here are some tips. Maintain steady rhythm, don't rush. Use lube if needed, since slower strokes need smoothness. Mix in teasing pauses like holding deep inside for a few seconds before withdrawing. Watch her reactions and adjust. The goal is to build pleasure gradually. The slow and long technique isn't just about sex. It's about connection. By controlling the pace, you show dominance, focus, and care all at once. She feels desired, teased, and completely turned on. Have you ever tried this technique? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this tip helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because we have many more powerful sex education secrets coming your way.